chingo e kuet keto chuke no keto tapana sarana tunga ni botana o wai kena wai na menta wai ninguno na lelbanua kena sotia patalaki na keto na tapani wai keto wasever na sotia ratu i banua
aku sa China before
wai au chingo na wala lambung levu keto mingi to boleh ngasara mo na ngoni balangi mata keto mati lei pakarotan lo ni wai Ana wai basic ani kuet balata ni barre bagi ka ko lo mai ragi keto ngendo do dili bangarona lerona ngon zaman ni rondo dili becu lo mai ragi eu baka me chingo baka buli berto tapan wai au chugo me da que no regiment ra chugo me amgaza wala sar chugo na sitio pasara banga que na levo ni motor me bici rona boy ni balang tunggo guys black on wele si ngoni ngilandi
Hi. Too hot here in Iraq.
very hot
Too hot. Way too hot. Big caterpillar.
wa sona manu ratunggo ra nganga
Who's in the mic this far? Fucking thrown away. Come.
Karanto bikaji na manu ratunggo
What am I getting?
sona spider sona scorpion tuna
Hey.
desert
No.
sona ngata na moko liliw bukan na What does he look like, Sergeant?
Keep it.
I don't want to say it.
Keep it.
This is 952's stove. Is it?
It is. The mighty storehouse.
Monkey stove.
Not the monkey storehouse, the mighty storehouse.
So this is a tui. Hi.
Hello. And what are you doing?
Just taking. I'm making a home video.
Oh, really?
A home video?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to get naked?
Do you want us to...
What's the problem? Can we have water, please? Lots of.
No, we need...
Stella.
This is our stuff. Got a lot of stuff here. Got bulbs and
No bombs.
the camera. Say hello.
Hi. How you doing?
Come on, Bill. You watching?
How was it? Nice on
This
here. Those big spiders.
Okay, mate. I'm going. Buat ni wai ko. Au nakaka chikina. Nakawabungan ko kami chikina. Au tapan na wai. Serang ko lori wai. Ito vale tunggo. Ito pingkarap chikina. Talakan lura lai tunggo. Dam tunggo, ngubuk men. Naricho.
Yes, me Iraqi fishermen came so close. And when they saw me and they started moving further out into the river. This is the river Euphrates that divides Iraq and Iran. And this is Port Gaza.
Iraqi. Au tuwaingo ngole daga chiko. Kuna wabungo kwa daka butu Japani. Balatan pa pundo iwai na paipo kete tungo na paipo ni iwai. Ito konten na satu pakai mia. Lalu konten nanggo. Ito vale ngatu ko. Sina bono nda ka pasa na besinga. Cuma konten na lalu iwai kita ngara pacungo tunggo. Atundo ngara pacuna kanggo. Tununggo kena boni torbo orang oleh tu. Bin caught.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Chill. Brown. Fisherman. Crab.
What did you call me? What, mate?
Thermometer. Hey, that's not allowed.
That's blacking. I'm chief.
That's Dan and Pete. They're having a good time out there.
Okay, you can see there'll be a demo where civilians or unarmed individuals will approach military convoy vehicles. It's crucial to prioritize safety and minimize risk to both the civilians and military personnel. So this is just a demo to the main, probably a boss that came into our camp, just to see how we could cope with crowd control.
They're just about to do an item or preparation of what will happen on convoy driving in public. We are representing the public or the civilian of Iraq. Apa yang tertunggu? Apa yang Muslim, yang mana yang Iraq? Kaira gitu ngo. Explain. Who's this? What's his name?
Feda.
Fela.
Say Bula.
Azam.
Yeah, and Pal.
Parek. Oh.
Crazy.
Crazy boy.
افتح كمان. افتح.
Okay.
Bula.
Oh, bola.
I'm on a drive to deliver diesel. The very old Fordens truck. Yes, the power to the punch. I forgot about the liters. I think it's 42,000 liters. It's not been escorted, just me and my mate O'Donnell having a good time out of camp. You can see you're supposed to be escorted, but there's no one escorting us. Just luck and a lot of faith. Also my mate O'Donnell, as well, normally call him OD. That's another old Bedford truck, not been escorted. But this is quite a dangerous area, especially carrying fuel truck like this. Just a moving bomb. It's a tanker, and if anybody shot the tank, that's me and O'Donnell done. Thank God we were always safe on the road. When you're smiling to the public, definitely you'll be safe. Fiji smile. Check out those double clutch. It's an old type of truck.
How's that home, baby? Hey, president. And of course, me.
O'Donnell, aka OD. We were privates back then. We were safe driving around because we never thought about any dangers on the road. We just came back from Basra City and delivering fuel to the main camp in Basra City, and also this is parking up for lunch. And thank God we were safe. We were always safe. We were driving all these old trucks. Now they have those new trucks. This is what we call power to the punch. Without fuel, without water, we won't win battle. So power to the punch comes from the main logistic of fuel, water to the frontliners. Thank God. Have a good day. I'll come back with more videos. Wilfred, Iraq 2003.